Hey guys, Kevin again, and I'm coming at you with, I believe the name used to be Bulletproof, but I think they've changed it to Bulletpoint. This is the Bulletpoint phone and GoPro mount for the Jeep JK. All right, so I am gonna do a little unboxing real quick and show you what it is. And I also purchased the tablet holder for my iPad because I'm not gonna use the GoPro mount. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap that out for my mount for my tablet, because I use the tablet on the trail more than anything, but I also seem to have this problem with losing my phone while I'm on the trail. So I've got the phone mount here I want to have so that I can look up there and see that it's there, because I'm usually just tossing it in there. And I'm running the RAM mount right now for my tablet, and just all together the RAM mount stuff is nice, but it's not a one-handed operation, and I really want that one-handed operation. And plus, from what I've seen on this, it's a very clean look, and that's what I'm going for. So I always like to have that clean look. So we'll get started here. It comes in a really nice box, has instructions here, and we'll talk about that in a moment. And it comes with a sticker and a little warranty card. I've already put the sticker on, just so you know. So it comes with, this is a lot like the 67 Designs. I'm pretty sure that's their major competitor. This is the metal series, so it's a little bit more expensive, but I wanted the more durable one. So, because I'm off-roading, so I mean, it makes sense to get the metal one. It comes with this. This is the arm for the phone holder. Here's the phone holder. It is a one-handed operation, so when you bring your phone in, you can just kind of do like that, and it actually is a one-handed operation. All right. And that, it comes with the GoPro mount, and it comes with an extra little attachment for the GoPro mount in case you need it. So that's where we're at as far as that goes. And then here is the base. And the way the base works is this is actually going to be a 2-day install. It's real quick. It's not going to be long or anything like that. But all we're going to do is put this in place today. Then it says you're supposed to wait 24 hours, and that is so that the glue from the adhesive strips here will bond to the actual plastic, so that you don't have any movement or anything like that. It'll get a real good adheration, if that's the word. It will really adhere to the plastic, so that we're not just going right away and putting weight on it and causing any kind of problems, okay? And especially with the fact that we're going to put a tablet in there, we want to make sure to do this right so that we don't have any shake, okay? And so we're going to get started on that. That is the base, just the basic mount system. I believe the price was $89. I will put a link in the description below for that. And then we have the tablet holder here, which is going to similarly come with one of these. It's the arm for it as well. Oh, and each piece actually comes with this really neat bottle opener. It's the shape of a, I'm not sure what caliber that is, but it's yeah. So anyway, it comes with that, and it's a bottle opener right here. It's really neat. It's something that is unique to Bulletpoint, and I really like it. I'm going to keep them in my Jeep, of course. I've got 2 of them now, so I'm going to probably give one to Ashley, and I'm going to take one. But anyway, so here is the mount. It is just like the other one. It is going to be a one-handed operation design right there. And all right, so that actually extends out. So I see it now. Okay, so the way it works is you pull it out like this to get to the close to the right size, and then this is gonna hold it in place. Okay, so we will see how that works whenever we get it installed, and we'll give you kind of an update on what we think about it. So anyway, it has this thing right here. It clips into the back right here, and then it'll tighten down and everything like that. Sorry. So let's see, okay. It goes in, and then you just push it down into place, and then this little thing right here will actually go into the ball that is right here, like this. And then you will just put this back on there. And there it is. Yep, there it is. Now then, this is still loose because you want to be able to, you know, move it around and stuff. So anyway, let's get started. Okay guys, so what we've got here right now is we've got our ram mounts X-grip, and as y'all can see, it's not really easy to operate, right? So we're gonna take that out, and this will be retired to the camper. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this, right? And then there is a, let's see here, there's a screw right here, and we're going to remove that 7mm screw, and we're going to clean this and put that in place. Okay guys, so I'm not going to show you as I do it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the I've got the adhesive tape open and it's ready to stick, and I'm going to take and I'm going to use the screw as a guide as I put it in there. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to have to cut this off because I need both hands. Alright guys, so there we are. The little screws in. It is down. And I think it looks pretty good. So tomorrow I will come back after it's had time to adhere, and I'll install the mounts, because we want to let it adhere really good before we go putting something on it. Okay, so we'll do that tomorrow and have it all set up with the phones and everything and go from there. Okay guys, so I have installed now the phone mount and the tablet mount, and I have to say it's very, very sturdy. You know, you can make it move, of course, like you could anything that's mounted like this, but that's mounted in any way, really, because anything that's mounted, I mean, I can move my steering wheel, to tell you the truth, but you know, it is very, very sturdy. This is a whole lot more sturdy than the RAM mount and the other items, other type of devices that you use. So like the RAM mount used that suction cup, and it was not sturdy at all. I mean, you could just pull it right off. This is not going anywhere. Whenever I was on the trail with the RAM mount was constantly getting knocked loose. It was like whenever we get into real rough conditions, it would actually, the suction cup would actually come loose a lot of times, especially out in the desert where it's real good and dry. But here, I don't think we're going to have any problems with this. And not to mention, I've got a cell phone holder and I've got my tablet holder. I'm not going to lose my cell phone anymore, because I'm going to make sure it's in here as a rule of thumb. I'm going to make sure it's in there so that I don't lose it, because I lost, you know, I destroyed 2 cell phones this year on the trail. So now I have something in place where I can just make sure that it's in place every time. And this goes right here, and I still have access and can see my radio just fine. In case y'all haven't noticed, everything on my radio is still fully accessible, and I've got my screen here for my guy in maps. This can run my radio, and I mean, you know, this is my radio and my other navigation as well, my regular road navigation if I need it. And then this right here is my there's my cell phone. So I've got full comms set up all in this area, and then my CB, and also I hang my ham radio mic right here. So all comms are centered right here, and navigation and everything are centered right there. So I really do like it. Okay guys, so I actually installed the Bulletpoint mounting system probably somewhere around
a month ago. So I just wanted to kind of give a quick update after living with it for the last month. I can say that it's absolutely everything that I thought it would be. It is, to me, a amazing phone and tablet mounting system. I've used it plenty of times. I've used the tablet holder, driving to work and everything like that, and kind of used it and kind of just make sure that I'm happy with the location of it and everything like that. I have used the phone holder every day since I installed it, and I can absolutely say that it's perfect. I mean, it's super easy to put your phone into. It's perfectly accessible where it's at. You can reach it and do whatever you need to do from the seated position without having to lean forward or anything like that. It is absolutely awesome. I mean, there's nothing else I can say about it, but it just really works. So I'm giving a big thumbs up for the Bulletpoint mounting system, and I can honestly say that I would truly recommend this to anyone looking for a mounting solution for their devices. The one thing that I do wish that they would offer is a third mounting location. So with the 67 designs, you can get up to 3 mounting points, and I would like to have that option on the Bulletpoint as well, because if they offset it, if they just made it just a little bit bigger and offset them just a little bit, you could have room for the tablet, the phone, and another phone or a GoPro or something like that. But having a third mounting location would be really nice, because like I said, I could put the GoPro up there and do some video from there, or which I really don't like that view, to be honest with you. I feel like that view's tired, and if I want to do that for short periods of time, I can do it with the GoPro and on the gimbal inside the vehicle. But regardless, it is nice to have that if you want to have like a dash cam or something like that. So it does have its purposes, but for me, I just assume hold my gimbal. But it would be awesome so that you could have all of your stuff in here, and your passenger could have a phone mount as well. So other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Keeps the content coming. And that's it. I hope to see you on the trail soon, and have a good one.